Hey y'all, welcome back to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a plastic wrap squishy. So what you're going to need, some tape, not to tape it up, and then you're going to need some insides to put it in. And if you want, I'll make a quick video how to make the insides in a couple weeks, so you'll know. It's this is what I have. I have some modeling clay right here. I don't have a lot of stuff, but I have my plastic wrap. I have a softball tournament in a couple minutes, so this is going to be a little quick one. So take the plastic. Make sure before you do this, make sure you have adult supervision, because in my video we use some dangerous stuff. Okay, I think this is a fail of it. Cause it's like, I have to see if it works real quick. Nope, this is kind of bad, so I always have a little bit more. Okay, we're just gonna put this plastic wrap away. So I have this uneven piece of plastic wrap. Then the reason you have the tape so that you can put it like this. So it looks like this. Then you put it. Whoops. So I have to roll back up roll back up. You put it here. Then press it down. Then I would recommend do not do what I'm doing. I've tried. It's because the hole is really uneven. Then once you think it's good enough, you just have to tie it, and voila, you got your version of. Well, if you want, you can cut this out. Actually, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna not cut where you twisted it. You're gonna cut above, and then you can put a hair tie over it, and you got. Here, I'm supposed to see how easy it was that. And maybe in a couple weeks, before you watch the video, in a couple days, I will not be able to make videos this weekend, like I said in my YouTube short. I will be busy, so you guys will have to wait. Okay, I think in all seriousness, this is kind of bad. I'm gonna restart it. Well, bye guys, like and subscribe. Peace. Bye.